On the move, mastering English prepositions of movement. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we are going to dive into an exciting aspect of English grammar, prepositions of movement. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly does that mean? Well, in English, we use certain words to describe how, where, and in which direction things are moving. These special words are called prepositions of movement. Strap in and get ready to learn how to master using these vital parts of English speech. Prepositions of movement are words that we use to express movement in its various forms. This can be movement in relation to direction, place, or manner. Some of the most common prepositions of movement are through, across, and along. Each of these words gives us a little more information about how something or someone is moving. The word through is used when we're talking about movement from one side to the other side of something, often inside it. It's as if you're surrounded by something on all sides as you move. For example, consider the sentence, "She walked through the forest." In this sentence, the preposition through indicates that she went from one side of the forest to the other, being inside the forest as she moved. The preposition across talks about movement from one side to another, but in a way where the person or thing is on top or surface of what they are moving across. An example of using across could be, "The cat ran across the street." Here, across shows that the cat moved from one side of the street to the other, running on the surface of the street. Lastly, we'll take a look at along. We use along to indicate movement in a continuous line on or beside a line or surface. In the sentence, "We walked along the beach," along tells us that the movement happened in a line that followed the beach. Now that we've learned about these prepositions of movement, let's put your knowledge to the test with a few practice sentences. 1. The bird flew, blank, the river. 2. I ran, blank, the hallway to reach the exit. 3. He moved, blank, the crowded market, carefully avoiding people. Try to fill in the blanks using through, across, or along, and then check your answers at the end of the video. And that's it for today's lesson on prepositions of movement. As with any language, practice makes perfect, so try to use these prepositions in your daily English conversations. We hope that this video has made the concept of prepositions of movement clear. Remember, whether you're moving through, across, or along, you're also moving forward in your journey of learning English. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.